Hello travelers, welcome back to our series about Chicago. This wonderful city really offers many great sights.
We have already introduced you to some of them.
In this video we want to show you an accommodation.
It's the Embassy Suites by Hilton in downtown, near Magnificent Mile. Even the drive up to the room with the glass lift is an event.
When you open the room door, you first get to the living area. It is equipped with a sofa bed.
We will come back to that later.
With a TV, table and 2 chairs. There is also a small chest of drawers.
Further back in the room, there is something like a kitchen area. It's equipped with a sink, a microwave oven and a kettle.
Coffee and tea are also available. And of course there is also a fridge.
By the way, you can find food just across the street in a Whole Foods market.
We'll come back to that later.
Opposite the kitchen area is the bathroom. It's not very nicely decorated, but at least soap and body lotion are available. Next to the bathroom, you will find a tiny storage room with a coat rack.
Now we show you the master bedroom.
The bed is nice and big. And the view is impressive. As a Hilton Honors member, you have the option to choose the room when booking. We decided on a room with a view to the south.
Because on this side is the Ogden Plaza. So you don't just look at the next house wall, but have a wonderful view over the Chicago skyline. We could even see up to Lake Michigan. The bedroom is equipped with another sink, which we found rather unnecessary. Next to it there's a large TV and a wardrobe. A small safe is also available.
Positive to mention is the charging station on the bedside table, which also works wonderful for wireless charging.
By the way, if you are a group or family, 2 more people can easily spend the night on the fold-out sofa bed. The living room and the bedroom are separated by a door. Before we go to bed, we want to enjoy the wonderful view of the Chicago skyline. The next morning, we want to show you the interior of the hotel.
The hotel is built in a way that a huge covered atrium is created in the middle of the building.
The breakfast room is located in this courtyard. Breakfast is included in the room rate and some items are cooked to order, which is really a good deal.
The hotel also has a swimming pool. We know we are in downtown, but for such a large hotel, however, the pool is rather small.
A fitness room is also available.
In particular, we would like to mention that there are free cocktails during happy hour.
As promised earlier in the video, we now show you the whole food market on the other side of the street. In addition to a rich offer of fruits and veggies, you will also find a large selection of pre-cooked meals and salads. But this is not the only good point of interest in the vicinity of the hotel, because the Embassy Suites is very well located. Numerous sites and tourist attractions are within walking distance. For example, the Navy Pier, the Riverwalk, the Wrigley Building, the Magnificent Mile, and the 360 Chicago observation deck. You probably already know some of these sites from our other videos. In case you want to go to a site a little farther away, there is an excellent public transport network in Chicago. It is as good as you know it from European cities. The Ventra ticket required for public transport can be purchased at vending machines. A 24-hour ticket costs $5. The Ventra tickets are valid on both buses and L trains. That's it for the moment. If you like Chicago, check out our other videos about this wonderful city.